Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to create equalizer preset for your headphones Soundcore P3. You have to start by open the application. Now go to Equalizer and right here go to Custom. Now we have the first preset, so you can make the best one for you. Let's say something like this. Or you can also create a new one, the second one. So name it, let's say test. Then click done and you have another custom preset to create. Now let's go to custom, and if you want to delete it, you can do it. Just click the settings icon here and then on the minus. But make sure that it's not your current preset, because right now I'm in a custom, and if I try to delete, I can't. But I can delete the another one. Just click delete and delete again. And also, if you don't like what you make it, just click at the reset icon right here at the right top, and then click yes. And we have it by default. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!